This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can access the drone settings for this device. So to start, download and install the HOVERAir X1 application, launch it, and indeed pair it with your drone. We have a whole separate video on how to do that, so check that out if you need any assistance with that. From here, make sure to open the Hover section of an app here at the bottom, and then simply tap on the Hover settings icon. And here are pretty much, or at least the majority of available settings for this drone. You can modify the recording preferences for each flight mode that is available on it. You can also change general settings, sound recording options, and so on. And all the regular stuff you would expect from drone to allow you to change, such as measurement units, calibrate the IMU, storage management, firmware update, and so on. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.